Hey, welcome back to Paul and Benny. I'm Paul, Benny's at work, but today we're talking about why you should quit boiling your eggs. Summer is finally upon us, and one thing we'll probably use more this season, besides ice, is boiled eggs. If you think about it, deviled eggs, macaroni salad, potato salad, they all go great with summer meals. 4th of July, cookouts, barbecues, baseball games, hot dogs, hamburgers, they go hand in hand. And the last thing you want to be doing is waiting for the big pot of water to boil, hoping that the inside is perfect, but the outside's not too rubbery, that you don't have the gray layer around the outside of the yolk. There's so many things that can go wrong, and I know boiling eggs isn't the end-all be-all, but when they come out great, they're really, really great. They're really, really great. So, we're gonna go over how to steam your eggs instead of boil them, how to make sure they cook faster, the yolks come out more consistent time after time, and you want them easy to peel. And what I love about this method is there's no trick. It's not like you need to add vinegar or just the right amount of salt to make sure your shells come off nicely. You don't have to wait for the water to come to a boil first. Or some people say, don't wait for the water to boil first. Put them in while the water's still cold. Some people say use room temperature eggs. Some people say use eggs right out of the fridge. Look, none of that matters when you steam your eggs. To start, you need a pot with a lid and some water. We're putting about 1 inch of water in here. We just don't want it to touch the bottom of the steamer basket. When we add our steamer basket, you could use a bamboo one, you could use whatever you want here. Then we add our eggs. The great thing about this is you can do as many eggs as you need to at one time. We're going to use 6 today. Once the eggs are in, we just put the lid on the pot. We're going to set our heat all the way to high. Then our timer goes to 16 minutes. When the eggs are done cooking, you'll take the lid off and take it off the burner and just let them sit for a minute for the steam to dissipate, and they are actually cooking during that time too. So once they're cool enough that you can pick up the pot and not hurt anyone, you're going to dump those eggs into a bowl of ice water. Oops. Well, not like that, but you know what I mean. And you're just going to let them sit. Ow, that's hot. You're going to let them sit for just a minute so you can touch them. Then go ahead and crack them. But check this out. Look how easy these eggs peel. I'm not saying it's going to happen like that every time, but the majority of the time, it does. A lot of it has to do with what the chickens ate, how old the eggs are, a lot of things. But I'll say over 90% of the time, this is exactly how my eggs peel when I steam them instead of boil them. One more for you. Look it, all in one piece. Pretty nice. These are near perfect. And what do I always say? I'm not bragging. They really are that good. Only thing making better is a little salt, a little pepper, or a lot. And this is boiled egg perfection. So the yolk is nice and creamy and yellow. The white is totally done, but it's still soft and tender. There's no green or gray on the yolk. That's a really well done boiled egg. There you have it. Steaming your eggs instead of boiling them is faster. It usually provides you with more consistent yolks on the inside, and usually your eggs are easier to peel. Give it a try if you haven't already. Let me know what you think in the comments below. By the way, if you do enjoy our videos, would you hit the like button for us and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. It'd be awesome if you shared our videos with someone else who could benefit from them. As always, we're thankful for great steamed eggs. We're grateful for you watching.